My name is Stacy Rice. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in April of 2016. Some of the physical challenges that I experienced was not being able to do the things that I used to be able to do. For example, brush my daughter's hair. When you have chemo, it takes your strength. And just to be able to put my hands above my head, to pull her hair up, that was hard. To get around, to go do things in town, it just would take the ear energy completely out of you. Some of the emotions that I felt when I was first diagnosed was scared at the beginning, and not realizing what's going to happen and how the outcome's going to be.
I constantly questioned it, asking why I got breast cancer. The longer I sat and prayed about it and thought about it, God has plans for each one of us. And this is just something I had to go through to make me stronger. And I will survive.
The most scariest moment was probably being diagnosed and knowing that I had a 3-year-old at home. Worrying that you won't get to see her grow up. If it hadn't have been for God through my cancer, I don't know where I'd be. He gave me the strength. He guided me every day. I prayed about it every day. My doctors and nurses were wonderful. I'm going to be honest with you. We didn't really want to stay here in Searcy, but a friend talked me into it, and I'm going to tell you, I would not change a thing. The doctors went above and beyond. The nurses went above and beyond. I could not express how they treated you. They cared about you. They were awesome. I'm so glad that God put them in my life. My goals was to get out of that house. When you're stuck in there with 4 walls, you don't realize how depressed you can get. And I was so ready to see the world again, not having to worry about getting sick all the time. We love to get out and camp and do things outside. Having breast cancer has changed my life. It makes me appreciate things a little more, the simple things. You don't worry or sweat the small stuff. You look to each day as a blessing, and that you see things in a little bit different light. The little things that you think that you have to have, it's not. Spending time with your family and being with them. I never really thought much about it. You live day by day. You don't really think much about what tomorrow's gonna be. But once you're diagnosed with breast cancer, you live for each day. I just wanna be there for the next person, because I had a lot of good support. Just remember, you're not alone. You have oncologists, you have radiologists, you've got your family, your friends, and most of all, you have God. Seek Him. My bracelet says, hope is stronger than fear. Never fear, because God's going to take care of you.